video, we will DIY a paper doll house. So if we have to make paper doll house, we need a white A4 size sheet. Then we have to cut it in a square. So firstly, let's cut it. So I have cut a square. Now we have to fold it in half. Then we have to fold this in half. Like in the video. Now we have to firstly take any pen and make like this outlines. So this is our type of a diagram of a doll house. That's a diagram. This is a step to make the doll house. So now we have to take one more A4 size sheet and put it like here. And so like this we have to put. And we have to take it. So you have to do nothing. You have to only do that cut like this. So now we have to take a pen and draw it like this with the back side end of the paper. You have to do nothing. You have to take the measurement of these two squares and cut it. So I am firstly taking the one square measurement. Then I will fold it into half with the measurement. So cut it very properly, because this will be our door of the doll house. Now then we have to cut by the end of the pen's mark. Like this. In the video you can see I have cut it. So now like this you have to cut. This one square is the measurement of this one square. Okay. So now we have to take the sheet, and we have to take also a pen and a straight thing. Then we will make like this triangle. Don't make it so big and don't make it so small. If you make it so small, then it will look so bad. If you make it so big, then it will look like to show off. Like this. Then we will cut it also. This one also we have to cut, which we have drawn now a triangle. So firstly cut it. So I have cut it like this. Only one sheet. Then, so this is how I have said this is a diagram of our doll house. So now these are the 4 rooms. You can imagine this is the 4 rooms. Now in this this one will be the bedroom. This one will be the bathroom, and this one will be the kitchen, and this one will be the living room. So firstly draw it. So now I will draw it. So I have made this drawings. So I will define you what is it all are. So this is the bedroom. This is bed. This is the and this is window, and this is the decorating. This is the sofa. This is living room. This is kitchen. This is bathroom. So now then we have to take our this one which we have got like this. So now we have to take this and fold it. So look at this. This will be like this. Here, this is like here. So then we have to take this and make a beautiful drawing on it. So let's firstly make beautiful drawing. Very beautiful. So let's first make. So I have made. Now then we have to do this is our this one area. So now we have to do nothing. We have to now which we have made, we have to color them all. So let's firstly color it by the any color company. So let's color it. So we have colored this. Now we need the scissor. So let's firstly take the scissor. So I have taken the scissor. Now we have to cut it like this. This is the center of this page. Now we will cut it from here to here like this. Now we can see we can fold it like this. Like this and like this. Like this. Now I have also colored the door. Now we have to take glue and we will decorate it with the color of red. You can use any color. I'm using this red color. Now we will stick it like this. Here it is, and we have to stick it like this. So let's stick it. Like this. Now we'll take the paper which we have, which is triangular. Then we will put it here where we have put the glue. Like this. Now we will take the color paper like this. So my old video color paper which I have used yesterday's video. From this we have to cut a square or rectangular shape, and then we have to do like this. we have to make type of an envelope like this. Then we will take the glue, then we have to stick it properly. Like this, we will stick it. Then my stickers, which I have made in my YouTube channel, we will take some stickers from it, or you can take, I have this one sticker also. This one is also my homemade sticker, and these all are the kawaii stickers. So I will take from this a mini sticker. This is too big. This is also too big. Yeah. I will take this one and I will cut it. And I will stick it. I have made this one from the sticker paper. You can buy this sticker paper. So now I have sticked this. Now we have to cut a small doll. So firstly cut it. So I have cut it. Now this is the bag for this drawing, which bag we have in DIY. Now we will take it and now we will stick this bag. Stick this bag here like this. Now we will take this and we will put the. So now I have sticked it. Now as you can see, this is our dollhouse. From back we will open.